way to start a video. Anyway, welcome to the car meet, everyone. Showed up very early, like it was supposed to start at 5. It's 5:54. No, 4:54. And we're having some cars show up. That was the group organizer there. Dodge Magnum just showed up, which I'll have to check him out. And then a Equinox. Well, I'll update you guys as more cars show up, and no one's here yet. Well, the meet's kind of starting. There's the Magnum. He revs real freaking loud. My CRV, a diesel truck that showed up, which parked on the fucking curb, and then the event organizers out here. Oh, we got someone else coming in now. Who's that? I don't know. We just had that thing show up. I don't know what it is. Oh, he's got a turbo. Well, that's the Evo. There's the Evo from last time I was out here. Look at a dog in the Magnum. Well, that's the Magnum revving. The Magnum's got a V8. Alright. What the hell are you? We just had this Hummer H2 show up. We got this Civic right here, this new Civic. Rainbow brakes and everything, that's pretty cool. Holy crap, it's Type R. Didn't expect to see that here.
Summer, do some cruises. Yeah, definitely. Dirt weird or some shit. Something.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah. Dang it. It was ridiculous. I was doing autocross.
We just had a K5 Blazer show up in the Type R. So. Wait. That's got a 454. That's interesting. There's a Shepherd in the back. Got a big block. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's a right-hand drive. Never seen a right-hand drive car in my life. It's a Celica GT4, if anyone's wondering.
I do like a boosted launch. I don't want to be videoed doing that.
Alright, I'm gonna go for a quick rip since everyone else did. Oh shit. Yeah, I should not do that. Like, okay, that one attempt at doing that scared the shit out of me. I'm not doing that again. Like, just seeing that, yeah, I'm gonna wreck. Pull the car back in. Come on, Blazer, do it. No? Alright. If I can turn it off. It's a GMC Jimmy, but he's doing crazy shit in it. Is he gone? I think he's gone. Damn. Nope. He's off. The Chevy Sonic is now doing stuff. I'm not gonna join in on that after what I just did. Nah. I'm done. We're gonna have the cops here in a minute. I'm scared. Oh, he's gone. going. Jesus, dude. Chill out. Diesel's back. Oh, shit. Guess it's one way to park.
That's my favorite Ford engine.
Everybody's back. Evo's
It's not
back.
gonna get ticked.
The BMW's back and the GMC Jimmy's back.
I had a hot
Oh,
I got back and I fucking drifted into the parking lot and drifted the whole fucking.
all right. Well, everyone's about to head to Big Lake. I'm not, so I'm gonna head home. Here's the meet. Someone just pulled in. This video is probably gonna be really short. Should probably turn my headlights on. Kind of a smaller meet today, though it's winter. Oh, there's the Diesel's doing donuts now. Oh fuck! Got an RC car right there. I don't think you can see that. Yeah, I'm gonna do dumb shit like that. Pulling out. I'm in first gear now. Put it in drive, yeah. So, thanks for watching, everyone.